Namaskar friends. In previous sessions, we have already covered JDK installation and how to configure it in your system, how to configure the environment variable in your system. Once you are ready with environment variable of JDK and JDK home in your system, then you will require to execute one small project by using Notepad. That's the basic thing you should know, how to execute small project by using a Notepad and command prompt. That we have already covered in previous sessions. In this session, we will let you know how to install IDE. So why we are using IDE? The basic reason behind it, because by using Notepad and command prompt, developing big projects, big Java projects, it's not possible. You must know use of IDEs. There are number of IDEs present in market like NetBeans, Eclipse, and like Spring Tool Suite. So Spring Tool Suite is the enhanced feature of Eclipse, you can say, because it will have number of plugins already installed, pre-installed in the installation itself. In this session, we will cover how to install Spring Tool Suite in your system. So before going to or before proceeding to installation, I'll let you know there is one page. You can check that page, blogger page, which will have steps to install Spring Tool Suite. So first of all, I'll show you this blogger. You can follow the steps. I'll tell you, even I'm going to tell you how to download it and how to install it. So just copy the URL and open this website of spring.io. Inside tools, you will get different tools of Spring Tool Suite. I will prefer the second Spring Tools 4 for Eclipse. Okay, so instead of downloading it Linux and Mac OS, I'll prefer Windows because I am using Windows. Even if you don't want to go this way, you can directly search in Google STS download. In first link itself, you will get the link of tools. See, in the Spring Tools 4 Eclipse, you will get this link. Once you click this jar will be downloaded. Once jar is downloaded, you can copy that jar where you want to install or extract the jar. You can copy that jar in that particular place. I am copying this jar in STS tool. I'll demonstrate how to extract it. So yes, my jar is present in STS tool folder, and I'll show you how to extract the jar. So before extracting the jar, you must have JDK installed in your system. So to check that, first of all, just open command prompt. Run as administrator will be best option to execute command prompt. First of all, I will check whether my Java home and other JDK installation variables are up to date or not. So by using Java version, yes, my system is having OpenJDK version 1.8. So everything is in place now. I have to go to the path where my jar is present. Yes. Now I will execute one command that will extract the jar. Java space - jar and the name of the jar. Once I enter, the process of extraction will be started. Just wait for some seconds. The process of extraction is started. So you can see in the corner. Once the extraction is completed, your installation is completed. Only thing is you have to use the proper application of Spring Tool Suite tool. That's it. So just wait for some seconds, or you can say some moment. Once the extraction is completed, I'll let you know how to start the application. It's almost done. 80%, 85. It's almost done. Yes. Now you can close the command prompt. Just check the folder STS-4.19. Here you can see Spring Tool Suite 4.exe. Your installation is completed. Now you have to give the workspace for this tool. Just wait for some seconds and Spring Tool Suite will ask you to provide the workspace for the same. Because it's opening first time, it will take some, because it's opening for the first time, it will take some time, and once you provide the workspace path, it's ready to go. Yes, just give the any folder path. I have created STS workspace here. I have already used it, so it's giving metadata here. No problem. Just launch it. Yes, here we go. So now IDE is ready. Now you can create Java project, Maven project, even you can create Spring Boot project by using this tool suite, and that's it. Your installation is completed and you are good to go. Thank you so much.